This is another episode on Connie's Kitchen.
Hello, today in Connie's Kitchen, we're going to be making some weird surprise. First, you put in one little tomato. Then, you open up a Jell-O packet. I can open it.
I'm gonna get some help with that, Connie.
Yes, I do.
Here you go, Connie.
Thank you. Pour the Jell-O in. Put in a little Italian pesto. Put in a little itty-bitty drop of hot sauce.
Way to put a little itty-bitty hot sauce on that, Connie.
Then you take this and you mush it all together. Really mash it. Then you take a little bit more pesto. Add a drop of it in. Try to mix it in there. Then put an itsy bitsy drop. Then you mix it up. It turns out like this.
That's a really good dressing, Connie.
It smells. And then you can use it as fake blood. For a Halloween party. For a Halloween party.
This has been another episode of Connie's Kitchen.